Greetings and welcome to Investor Web, your reliable source for insightful content. Here we strive to provide educational material that empowers you to make informed decisions across various aspects of life, including health. We delve into a plethora of topics, bringing you facts, tips, and strategies that can significantly enhance your lifestyle. From finance to fitness, we've got you covered. Today we're delving into a topic that touches us all, yet remains shrouded in mystery for many: sleep. In today's segment, we unfold the secrets of sleep and its importance. Sleep, a universal experience, yet a mystery to many. But what really happens when we sleep? Let's delve into the science of sleep. At its core, sleep is a complex series of stages that our brain and body cycle through, each with its unique characteristics and purpose. You might be familiar with the terms REM and non-REM sleep, but what do they signify? Non-REM sleep consists of 3 stages. The first stage is a transition phase from wakefulness to sleep, which lasts for about 5 minutes. The second stage is a period of light sleep before you enter deeper sleep. It's during the third, deepest stage of non-REM sleep, also known as slow-wave sleep, that the magic truly begins. During slow-wave sleep, your body goes into repair mode. Tissue growth and repair occur, hormones that aid in growth and appetite regulation are released, and energy is replenished. Then we transition into REM sleep, the stage associated with intense dreaming due to increased brain activity. But REM sleep isn't just about giving us wild dream stories to share. It's during this phase that our brains are hard at work, consolidating memories and processing emotional experiences. These stages, together forming a complete sleep cycle, repeat approximately every 90 minutes throughout the night. Now, let's talk about the importance of these cycles. Sleep plays a vital role in memory consolidation. Think of it as your brain's housekeeper, tidying up and organizing your mental files from the day. Moreover, sleep is a time of physical restoration. It's when your body gets to work, repairing muscles, organs, and other cells. Chemical signals in the brain trigger the release of hormones that encourage tissue growth, helping to restore the energy you expended during the day. So the next time someone tells you sleep is just downtime, you'll know better. Sleep is a dynamic and active state that is essential to our overall well-being. Clearly, sleep is not merely a switch-off time, but a crucial period of recharging and restoration. Now that we understand what happens when we sleep, let's delve into why sleep matters. To begin with, sleep is a crucial player in our overall health and well-being. It's an integral part of our lives, much like breathing, eating, and drinking. It's not just about feeling rested or banishing under-eye circles. The significance of sleep extends much further. Let's start with the brain. While we're tucked away in dreamland, our brain is bustling with activity. It's sorting and storing memories, processing information from the day and recharging for the day ahead. You might think of sleep as your brain's housekeeper, tidying up after a busy day of mental gymnastics. On the emotional front, sleep plays a vital role too. It helps regulate our mood and keeps our emotional health in check. Ever noticed feeling grumpy or overly emotional after a poor night's sleep? That's your body telling you it didn't get the downtime it needed to reset your emotional equilibrium. In terms of physical health, sleep is like a maintenance crew, conducting critical repairs and restoration work. When we sleep, our bodies are hard at work repairing heart and blood vessels, maintaining balance of hormones, and supporting growth and development. It's a vital time for recovery, particularly if you're physically active. Now, consider daytime performance and safety. Lack of sleep can severely impact our ability to concentrate, react, and make decisions. It can lead to a decrease in productivity and in some cases can even lead to serious accidents. Ever tried driving or operating machinery when you're sleep deprived? It's a recipe for disaster. So, we see that sleep is not just about rest, it's about restoration, rejuvenation, and regulation. It's about keeping our brains sharp, our emotions balanced, our bodies healthy, and our performance at its peak. It's a vital cog in the wheel of our overall health and well-being. In essence, good sleep is not a luxury, it's a necessity. But what happens when we don't get enough sleep? Well, the consequences can be far-reaching and surprisingly severe. When we consistently fail to give our bodies the rest they need, we can set ourselves up for a cascade of negative effects, both short-term and long-term. Now let's start with the short-term impacts. Have you ever noticed how your mood dips after a night of poor sleep? That's because sleep deprivation can lead to irritability, mood swings, and even depression. It's not just your mood that suffers either. Your cognitive abilities take a hit as well. You might struggle with memory, concentration, and decision-making, making everyday tasks feel like monumental challenges. Physically, you might feel lethargic and sluggish, your reaction times may slow, and you may be more prone to accidents. Your immune system also takes a hit, making you more susceptible to common illnesses. The long-term effects, however, are where things get really serious. Chronic sleep deprivation can lead to an increased risk of a slew of health problems. These include high blood pressure, heart disease, stroke, and diabetes. It can also lead to weight gain and obesity, as lack of sleep disrupts the hormones that regulate appetite. And let's not forget the impact on mental health. Chronic poor sleep has been linked to anxiety disorders and depression. It can also exacerbate existing mental health conditions. Furthermore, there's the issue of sleep disorders. Insufficient sleep can contribute to the development of conditions like insomnia and sleep apnea. These disorders can, in turn, further disrupt your sleep and exacerbate the associated health risks. In essence, poor sleep is like a domino effect, with one negative impact leading to another, creating a cycle that can be hard to break. The consequences are far-reaching, affecting not just our health, but our quality of life. The bottom line is clear: shortchanging sleep can shortchange your health. So, the next time you're tempted to burn the midnight oil or skip on those precious hours of rest, remember the price your body could pay. It's not just about feeling tired, it's about safeguarding your health, both now and in the future. So, how can we ensure we're getting good quality sleep? Let's delve into some practical tips that can work wonders in improving your sleep quality. First off, maintaining a regular sleep schedule is highly essential. Consistency is key here. Try going to bed and waking up at the same time every day, even on weekends. This helps regulate your body's internal clock known as your circadian rhythm and can aid in falling asleep and waking up more naturally. Now, on to creating a restful environment. This can be a game changer for your sleep quality. Make your sleeping environment as peaceful and comfortable as possible. Make sure your room is dark, quiet, and cool. Consider using earplugs or a white noise machine if you need to block out noise. And don't forget the importance of a comfortable mattress and pillows. Here's another tip: limit exposure to screens before bedtime. Devices such as phones, tablets, and computers emit a blue light that can interfere with the production of melatonin, the hormone that regulates your sleep-wake cycle. Try switching off these devices at least an hour before you plan to sleep. And then there's the role of physical activity. Regular exercise has been proven to help you fall asleep faster and enjoy deeper sleep. But be mindful not to exercise too close to bedtime, as it might leave you too energized to fall asleep. Nutrition also plays a crucial role. Try to avoid large meals, caffeine, and alcohol close to bedtime. These can disrupt your sleep cycle and affect the quality of your sleep. And lastly, prioritize your sleep. It's easy to sacrifice sleep for work, social life, or binge watching your favorite show. But remember, adequate sleep is as important as eating healthy and exercising. It's not a luxury, it's a necessity. We understand that it's easier said than done. Changing habits takes time and patience, but start small. Pick one or two strategies and stick to them. Over time, these small changes can make a big difference to your sleep quality and ultimately to your overall health and well-being. So our journey into the realm of sleep brings us to a simple conclusion. Good quality sleep is not beyond your reach. It's all about making some adjustments to your daily routine and creating a conducive environment for sleep. Remember, improving sleep quality is an investment in your health. It's not an overnight process, but the rewards are well worth the effort. So, here's to a good night's sleep and a healthier, happier you. As we conclude our journey into the realm of sleep, we hope you've gained valuable insights. We've delved into the science of sleep, understanding its intricate dynamics and its profound influence on our health and well-being. We've discussed why sleep matters, shedding light on its role in everything from memory consolidation to physical recovery. We've also explored the consequences of poor sleep, highlighting how it can lead to myriad health issues, from chronic fatigue to cognitive decline. But most importantly, we've provided practical tips for improving your sleep quality. From maintaining a consistent sleep schedule to creating a conducive sleep environment, these strategies are all about empowering you to take control of your sleep health. Remember, sleep is not a luxury, it's a necessity. It's an investment in your health. And like any investment, it requires time, patience, and consistency. Thank you for choosing Investor Web. Don't forget to subscribe for more enlightening content. Until next time, invest in your sleep, invest in your health.